Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Best GIS Tutorial. In today's lecture, I will show you how to mosaic multiple images and get a single image. So you can see in table of content, I mosaic these two images. One is that one and another one is that one. I mosaic these two images and get in the result this one, which is completely mosaiced. So I will show you practically that how to mosaic images in GIS software. Keep in touch with me and see the lecture step by step. So firstly, remove these all images. Remove this one and also remove this one and also this one. So now I will add again these two images step by step. From here, go to add data, and here is the composite band 1. Here is the single image, and again go to add data and here add this one image. So I add these two images. I will mosaic these two. So first of all, go to the properties of that one and see that the band composite of that image. Here you can see that number of bands, total number of bands are 7. You must check the number of bands whenever you want to mosaic in GIS software, because if your number of bands are different, you cannot process the mosaic tool. So cancel that one and also check number of bands of that one. That's also 7. Number of bands are 7. So now we are moving towards our toolbox. Now go to our toolbox from here, and our toolbox, go to data management tool. Data management tool, go to raster tools, and raster tool, go to raster dataset. Here you can see that here first of all click on mosaic tool, new raster. Now you will see this small window dialog box, and here click band composite 1 and band composite this one. Now get output location from here where we want to save this. So I will add this location. Now here raster dataset name with extension. So I will give a name to Mosaic _ TIFF, because the extension of that image will be TIFF format. So now come here, and here you can see the pixel type optional. Now we will check it from properties of that, and here is the format is pixel type is unsigned internal and pixel depth is 16-bit. You must care of that pixel depth and pixel type, and again go to there and will select 16-bit unsigned, because in the properties of bands we see that the pixel type and depth is 16-bit unsigned. Now here again check the cell size, again go to properties and here check the pixel size, which is 30 by 30. You also take care of that. So okay, here put 30 meter, just 30. And here you must care of number of bands. So I put 7 because we have number of bands are 7. Now Again, now click on OK and run the mosaic. You can see that. Wait for the results. Now it's done. Maybe you can see it. Go to table of content. Here it's a mosaic tab. It's done. Now again go to our toolbox and click on mosaic. And here input raster, which is mosaic tab, and the target raster. Now go to the location where we save the new raster, mosaic to new raster. Here we save in this. Here is the mosaic and add from here. Now click on OK and wait for final mosaicing. Now it's completely done. Now go to table of content and here click on there, and you can see that there are total number of bands are 7. So many people have faced problem while run a mosaic tools because they cannot familiar with the properties of the layers. So once again I will show you the properties of the mosaic final layer. You can see that the total number of bands are 7 and the cell size of the image is 30 by 30, and here is the format, and here is the main thing is that one pixel type and pixel depth. You must take care of that while you process or run a mosaic tool. So these all are important in mosaic. You must check these all while process a mosaic tool. So here I change the bands combination. Let's suppose that 5, 6 and 4 are, which is natural color 432. 432 are the natural colors. I Landsat 8. You can see that while I zoom this image up to some extent, here you can see that there is no pixel distortion in this image. As you can see, I zoom up to some extent. So I hope you will learn that how to mosaic in GIS software. If you have any questions, you can ask in comment section. Thank you.